No, Ptuj is a good city to make art. It's a wonderful city to film. It's a wonderful city to make music. Any kind of art. It's a town of love, I think.
Okay.
Mora biti na kako temo, kakole.
You want to put it?
Kako dolgo pa?
Oh, hi.
Se moram predstaviti?
She's from Finland. What?
Kar začnem? Jaz sem Jana Filipič, sem iz Ptuja.
Bellamo and Veronica.
We are a duet, vocal and instrumental duet.
So we came here to Ptuj some 4 years ago for the first time.
And I'm from here, from Ptuj.
Študiram krajinsko arhitekturo v Ljubljani.
Stayed only one night.
Imam še 3 leta.
We adored the town.
Last September in Bulgaria, in Albania, there was a festival.
Mislim, da bom delala, ker sem trenutno zelo zmedena.
We traveled together with train.
In sem stara 23 let.
During these 9 hours, we were singing songs from each countries, and we decided, oh, let's have a tour.
This kind of story of our holidays.
Elias Lönnrot wrote it in the 19th century. It's about, I don't know, in Finland everything is about how some woman gets pregnant.
We took someone with us, some Croatian man with us.
Ilmatar, the daughter from the wind.
When he wanted to get amusement, he always went to Belgrade. And he took us to the western part of Slovenia.
One day she was very bored and she got into the sea, and then the sea makes her pregnant.
Small and cold small river. It was the purest river in Europe. Socha.
There is nothing happening.
I only put my feet in.
She can still not get birth.
My wife, I think she took a full bath.
Sotka,
Made by an Italian from the north of Italy, I don't recall.
we say duck to that. She comes and also she wants to give birth, and she cannot find a place anywhere because there was no earth yet.
In our car.
She finds this Ilmatar and goes into her niece and give 7 eggs, but one was golden.
It fitted just if it was a little bit bigger, it would not be in.
And this golden egg falls apart, and from the upper part the sky was made, from the little parts of the egg the stars were made, from down part the earth was made, and then this is how slowly the world has become.
Lyökäämme käsi käteen,
Rokesi po taiva prosno,
sormet sormien lomaan.
Prste prepletiva prosno,
Lyökäämme käsi käteen,
Saisva malo kdaj se zbrala,
sormet sormien lomaan.
Pesmi ljudske si predala, la 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 la.
Wish you luck.
Ko sem bila mala, Moja ati vsak petek peljal v kino in to je bilo za me najlepše.